Hello everybody, my name is Aditya and today we're back with another video. This video we're going to be creating the brain of the Jarvis AI that we're creating. So we're going to be importing a module known as PyTorch dot nn as nn. We're going to be creating a class. So I'm not going to be explaining everything in like one video uh, so that I can keep videos short as possible so that people can do it as fast as possible. Then dot module, but I will create I'll make one video which will explain entirety of the codes that we'll be making, so it'll be done after this course is done. Not going to worry, I will be explaining it. Then inside of the init we're going to be adding a few parameters, three parameters: input size, then size, then num classes, and then I'll write in super. Inside the super, we're going to be doing neural net self, sorry, self dot init self L1, which is equal to nn dot linear input size and hidden size. Sorry, self dot L2 is equal to nn dot linear hidden size, hidden size, self dot L3 is equal to nn dot linear, and inside this we're going to be adding hidden size and num class. Sorry, num classes, not num class. And this is our last one. Self dot relu inside this, and nn dot not linear. It's going to be relu. Okay, so our init function, which is also known as the sorry, is also known as the constructor method, is complete. Sorry, I have a little bit of cough and cold, so my voice sounds a little different at times. So now we're going to defining another function called forward. Okay, self x inside this, so we out self dot L1, that is going to be x, out is equal to self dot L2, no, sorry, relu, and inside it's going to be out is equal to self dot L2, inside it's going to be out again, out is equal to self dot relu, out out is equal to self dot L3, and again just write out. then return, straight, return out. Yeah. So we have our brain. Brain.py is now fully functional. You can run this if it gives any error. It should not give any error. Yeah, there we go. It runs properly. So I will explain whatever I'm doing in like another video because I don't want videos to be too long. Or if you do want me to explain it in this video, like in the videos that I'm making, you can tell me. But I prefer making that so that uh, people can learn more and then people can use the time better properly. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.